Welcome back to Crypto and Craft Beer. Today we're going to be talking about Quant QNT. It looks like Quant is trying to find a lot of support here down around 150. I'm actually sad to be reporting that it's down to 150, down what 120 something dollars from what I bought in. So this is, if people say this isn't a bear market, this is definitely a bear short-term market because these prices are depressing as fuck. Um, but I'm holding. I'm not selling anything. I hope everybody out there is, holding. I, I, I I'm doing fine. Sometimes you have to reevaluate. One thing I've learned this time is buying a dip. When you buy the dip, don't buy dips so vigorously, like with so much conviction that that's the bottom. Because if it's not, you're gonna need to DCA in more. And if that's not the bottom, you are burning a lot of money on the way down. So, always reevaluate what dips you want to buy. Because now, I mean, I'm learning. Like, I've been in crypto for about a year and a half. I've been interested in crypto and watching the markets for 8 years. And this is crazy. But yeah, I just started getting into it because you get into it late when you FOMO. Well, looks like QNT is really finding a lot of support here on the daily chart. We've had a couple pops a couple days ago where it would pop all the way up past 200 and then we get sold off a lot. But we've been doing that a lot lately, coming down to about 150, pretty much on that really nasty wick down other day on the 4th. And we've been trying to recover from that, but it's looking a little hard. So I'm saying if we really come down anymore, we're probably going to get this next support here at 137, which I don't even want to think about that. I haven't even been looking at my account. I just looked at it, but I put so much money into Quant buying a dip that you just have to respect what happens and just kind of get away from it for a while. If you're down in crypto and you're over leveraged, just put your phone up for a while. Maybe set you some limit orders to get out if you want to, but just put your phone down because this is going to draw out for a while and it's going to depress the fuck out of some people because it's Christmas time. So make sure next time if you are over leveraged, especially don't trade in futures if you can help it. Don't trade margin. Don't trade leverage. Those three: futures, margin, and leverage. Leverage is futures, of course, but there's other ways of leverage. They have leverage ETFs, things like that. I believe most of that is rigged. Obviously, what we've seen from Bitmart the other day with being hacked. You get hacked after someone gets fired, and then the stolen keys are then exposed. And now hundreds of millions of dollars are lost. That's not fair for anybody. That's not fair for anybody. So everybody has to keep that in mind, that crypto and the privacy of it is very beautiful. The decentralization of it is very beautiful, but the security has to get much better because it seems like right now the market is controlled by developers, and they also are, we can be manipulated by developers and robbed by developers or people that have background in understanding code and different languages. So keep in mind, right now, Quant, I'm looking for a reversal. I'm looking for a reversal back up to 345 at least. It's been too much up and down going here, up and down, up and down, up and down. It's literally like artificial. Like, who wants to sell? No one's selling besides the algo. So, I mean, it's perfect. It was a perfect setup for anybody that was watching it because, look, we were looking over here. Perfect setup. We thought it was going to balloon up again, which it didn't, but you don't sell down here. You don't sell down here. That's a no-no. Like, subscribe, and share. Quant will be back next year. I'm looking at 345 as my first target. I'm probably not selling anything. Even when I break back even from my last DCA of 191, I'm probably just going to let it go. Because what's the point of DCAing in if you're just going to sell it at break even because you got spooked by the market? You get me? Like, subscribe, and share. Welcome back. Cheers.